Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I had the big pleasure of finally getting my new summer tires, as you can see. And I will today go into a tire farm in the town next to me, and I will change my old summer tires to the new summer tires. Finally. We have almost summer now and I'm still running on winter tires. That's not very good. The new tires is of the brand Roadhog. I do not know not very much about that brand, but hopefully they are good. They're called Roadhog RHAPO1. That was a very weird name, very long. Doesn't say anything, but they are of course 205/50 and it's of course 17 inches. Well, I hope I have not been. They were very cheap. I bought them online, and of course when you buy very cheap tires you get a little bit afraid that, oh, maybe it's very bad and they will explode and I will die tragically in some corner of Sweden. But oh, let's try it. They say they have like you can see like this. This is like the review, not review, but the grade in the fuel consumption. It has a B, and in how it goes on very wet roads, it also has a B, and 75 decibels of the noise. And all this is like, it's okay. It's not, of course, it's not a, it's a low price brand, and I hope it's not bad buy. But never mind, let's go in now and get them changed, and then we'll put them on and hopefully do a test run and see the noise. Because right now with the winter tires, of course, it's a lot of noise in the car, even though I don't have the metal spikes in them. It still have, like, you know, the sound. Hopefully it will be very silent with this. Okay, let's go now. See you soon. I forgot one more thing. I have an Alfa Romeo GT. I'll try to fit 8 tires inside it. And you know, the volume inside, it's not a truck. You know, it's a sport car. But it will be very fun, this. 8 tires. But of course, 4 doesn't have any rims, but it would be very fun. I hope it goes well, because I need to be in there in 20 minutes. Well, now I have the 8 tires with rims in it, and I have folded the back seat, of course. I have a bigger space. So now I just need to get the next 4 ones, but I think I will manage, because I can fit it in here. Oh yes, I managed to fit in. I have 6 tires in the baggage, the trunk, in the boot now. I have 2 more in the front seat. And my God, an Alfa Romeo GT. It's actually a lorry, a truck. Amazing. My travel companion is so boring because they only speak rubbish. Well, now I have the new tires on, and already there is a huge difference. It's a huge difference in sound level. It doesn't sound anymore like I have some off-road tires on. And also, I think on the winter tires, I think I had one of the front wheels have lost the balance weights, because now I had an imbalance before with the winter tires. Yeah, you could feel it, you know, in the steering wheel. It's like, and it's always moving a little bit. But now suddenly the car is very steady. And well, so far I'm very pleased with these tires. But of course I need to do some extensive driving, maybe like a 2-3 hours driving, and try to drive a bit faster also, and to do more corners and stuff like that. But okay, so far I am pleased with it. I just need to go home now and unload the winter tires. And I just want to end this video with the look of the car with the new summer tires, or the original 17 Alfa Romeo rims. Damn, it looks much better now. Well, this was all for today. See you next time in the next video. Goodbye.